Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
To fast charge an iPhone X, you need the right hardware and setup. The iPhone X supports USB power delivery and benefits from an 18W or higher charger. Use a USB-C to Lightning cable to enable power delivery, fast charging from compatible chargers. Avoid relying on a 5W adapter or standard Lightning to USB cables for fast charging. Wireless charging is convenient, but provides much slower charging than wired USB-C power delivery in most scenarios. First, plug the USB-C to Lightning cable into an 18W or higher USB power delivery charger. Next, connect the Lightning end to your iPhone X and watch the charging indicator. With an 18W PD adapter, expect roughly 50% charge in about 30 minutes under normal temperature conditions. If you need the fastest immediate charge temporarily, disable optimized battery charging in settings and reconnect the charger. Remember that charging speed slows after about 80% to protect the battery's health. Charge safely by keeping the environment between 0 and 35 degrees C and remove the case if the phone gets hot. Use MFI certified or reputable USB-C to Lightning cables and avoid cheap or damaged cords that can reduce speed or cause hazards. High wattage chargers like 18W to 29W are fine. They negotiate power with the phone for safe, fast charging. For long-term battery health, avoid keeping the phone at 100% constantly and unplug once practical after reaching a high charge level.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.